Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and we just celebrated my in-laws' 45th wedding anniversary. And let me just tell you, this glitter backdrop right here from LYCGS really stole all the attention. Talk about really elevating your party decorations. This background really adds that special touch for any celebration. We chose this royal blue glitter design, and I just cannot talk more highly about it. This size is the 8x6, which was wide enough for at least 6 of us to stand side by side at the same time for pictures. They also have one as big as 10 by 10 foot, which would be ideal for larger parties. This backdrop is just so beautiful just on its own, but we also decided to add a balloon arch that I thought just really added to the decor. It's made out of a thin vinyl material, and I was really impressed with how nice and tough it is. We folded it over this backdrop stand and clipped the ends, and I was never once afraid that it would tear. It came folded in a package, but because of this glittery design, we really weren't able to see any of the creases. All we did was attach it to the stand for a couple of days, or you can also steam iron it on a very low temperature in order to get the wrinkles out. It looks very beautiful in pictures. The colors are just nice and vibrant. It will really add character to your party. It's just very, very stunning. So whether you're throwing a party for a baby shower, a wedding, an anniversary, graduation, any celebration at all, this backdrop is a must. But that's just my point of view.